In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spare tire carrier on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located under the bed. Let's get started. Open the cap. Use the key to remove the lock. Twist and pull. Using the toolkit supplied with the vehicle, we're going to lower the spare tire. Let it down all the way to the floor. Tilt the tire up to one side. We're going to get this bracket out from the tire. And remove the spare tire. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to gently pry up on this plastic tab and pop this plastic cover off. Do this on both sides and pull the cover back. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for the carrier. Remove the bolt, hinge the carrier out, remove the plastic tube, and remove the old collar. Install the plastic tube back into place. Install the carrier, get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Install the plastic tube into the collar. Push it straight in. Pull down on the cable as you let down the new carrier. You don't want to just put it down. The cable can get jammed up inside of the unit. Install the carrier into the wheel. Pull the tire back up into position. Install the lock, close the door, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.